इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट ह्या फुडें डिपार्टमेंट म्हणून वावर करपाक शकना. एक तर डिपार्टमेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड जावपाक जाय वा कॉर्पोरेशन. तशें जालें जाल्यारूच थंय बिझनेस एप्रोच येवपाक शकता. गोवा कॅनाच्या रॉलंड मार्टिन्सान सुचोवणी दिल्या. जेन्ना विजेचे दर निश्चित करतात आनी हिशोब जाता त्या वेळार जाहीर सुचोवणी जावप गरजेचें आसता अशें ताणें सांगलें. पणजेच्या IFB हॉलांत जाल्ले उत्तर गोंया खातीर JRC जनसुनावणी जाली. सुनावणेक अलोक टंडन, ज्योती प्रसाद आनी हेर वांगडी हजर आसले. विविध NGO आनी सामाजीक मळार वावुरपी मंचांनी ताका हजेरी लायिल्ली. आयकात रॉलंड मार्टिन्सान केल्ल्यो सुचोवण्यो.
As per the regulations, the Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission has to have public hearings at two important points. One is when the tariff is being finalized, and on the other side when the accounting is being done. Many orders have been passed by this commission, and unfortunately the most important order which was passed, that this electricity department cannot function anymore as a department. It has to either become an electricity board or a corporation. So I have brought it to the notice of honorable new chairperson who has come and honorable member madam, that they may examine the earlier orders which were passed, because if it runs as a corporation or a board, there is a better chance that it will have a business approach. Today government departments are owing the electricity department maximum amount. They have not recovered.
आपले म्हणणे पटोवन दितना ताणें कांय देखी दिल्यो. आयकात.
Simple point I will give you. Today we are just 16 lakh resident population. We are having 90 lakh tourists coming to Goa. I have raised this point today. There are so many illegal apartments operating in the state of Goa, which are being used by foreign tourists, domestic tourists, and paying domestic fare, domestic electricity charges. Now this is not fair. Department has to take cognizance and recover that revenue. Now in one case they have shown some 3 crores, next year they have shown 4 crores, that this is debt, they have written it off. So whose money they have written off? Who owed them and why they did not recover? We public should know this. They should put it on the website. Lot of power theft is taking place. Now why will I want to file some confidential information on a email which is running from America? They should have an email which is gov.in or nic.in.
Regarding campaigns for consumers for increase of load, some wanted more clarity on the bad debts. Some were mentioning that elections to reports are not available. Another point which had come in was the underground cabling has been done, but the last mile connectivity remains, and of course of the trenches which remain. So maybe if you can reply to this question.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स आनी संगीता ओली.